the Category 3 CPT DRRM Company Minors Boys and Girls, followed by Category 4. Entry number 1.
Nag-aalis sa Malawag na Buwang Camarines Sur. Malawag National High School, CPT Unit, headed by the Troop Commander, Aaron Logares, Jeremy Anay, Leslie, Joseph Rivaderia, S1, Dandre Juanillas, S2, John Partiso, S4, Angel Lovares, S5, Major Leader, Angel May Palmes, Eagles Leader, Aaron Kerr Delayan, Alpha Company Commander, Nelson Santos, Alpha Company Exo, Raymart Morinaga, Bravo Company Commander, Samantha Josefa Curabao, Bravo Company Exo, Crystal P. Pinolio, First Platoon Little Boys, Phoenix, Range and Ron, Second Little Boys, Kyle Malmon, First Platoon Girls, Rausan Tabonan, Second Platoon Girls, Jumito Salsa, Principal, Inian Saison, CDP Facilitator, Tomas Barador, Assistant Facilitator, Isi Barador, and Josie Fortuno, Victory Coordinator, Aisa Nagalan, Victory Trainers, Spirito Magasala, and Dona Benita Celio, Easy Coordinator, Romeo Pedro Alvesa, Assistant Easy Coordinator, Lisa Joy M. Morada, Easy Coordinator, from Malawag Nabuang Camarines Sur, Malawag National High School,
was the first entry of Category 3 CPT DRRM Company Minors Boys and Girls, Malawag National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Following next, entry number 2.
Nag-aalis sa San Ramon, Laganoy, Camarines Sur. San Ramon Pilot National High School, CPT Unit, headed by the Troop Commander, Jerome Dibo, Ken Drexler Delpino, S1, Millaros Proyalde, S2, Stephanie Katibay, S3, Paulin Joy Boticario, S4, Mark Wayne Respito, S5, John Mark Pinero, S6, Meteorite Leader, Luis Akim Samprano, Eagles Leader, Well Harvey Moreno, Alpha Company Commander, Dave Calibara, Alpha Company Exo, John Ray Hilaw, Bravo Company Commander, Alaisa Miranya, Bravo Company Exo, Janel Patriarca, MAPEH Company Commander, James Sabuco, MAPEH Company Exo, James Belsa, First of the Little Boys, CDP, John Paul Morales, Second of the Little CDP Boys, Dominican Belsa, First of the Little CDP Girls, Asia Pauline Miranya, Second of the Little Girls, CDP, Princess Sabuco, First of the Little MAPEH, Janri Ujamar, Second of the Little Boys, Marian Joseph, Principal, Mr. Harry Pilaso Jr. CDP MAPEH Facilitator, Mr. Alan Ortuba, Major Coordinator, Mrs. Carla Marie Respito, DEC Coordinator, Mr. Roel Purisima, Mrs. Maria Yesa Guasio, Assistant Trainer, Mr. Victor Jan Corono, Assistant Trainer, Mr. Anthony Dixo, Assistant Trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, from San Ramon, Laganoy, Camarines Sur, San Ramon Pilot National High School, CPT MAPEH
3 and Category 4, San Ramon Pilot National High School of Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Following next, entry number 3.
Nag-aalis sa San Francisco, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Ocampo National High School, CTP, MAPEH Unit, headed by the Troop Commander, Hartzell Preyagas, Jasmine Iraula, S1, Geraldine Bulo, S2, Sheikha May Iraula, S3, Hannah Sofia Rodriguez, S4, Annalisa Hermoino, S5, Vince Carlo Relorcasa, S6, Midri Dinner, Brenda Gabriela Rillora, DNC Dinner, Glyza Ayeka Mata, Alpha Company Commander Raymond Esquira, Alpha Company Exo John Michael Apolonia, Bravo Company Commander Clara May Lanusga, Bravo Company Exo Christine Villaflor, MAPEH Company Commander Margaret Villa, MAPEH Company Exo Joseph Roman, First Battalion Leader Boys CPT John Lloyd Siriza, Second Battalion Leader CTP Boys Joshua Montibon, First Battalion Leader CTP Girls May Serrato, Second Battalion Leader CTP Girls Mary France Dia, First Battalion Leader MAPEH Boys Ronnie Mayanay, Second Battalion Leader MAPEH Girls Raiden Lanusga, Principal Oslino Cabantes, MAPEH Department Head Apolinario Agorico, CDP MAPEH Administrator Juan Paulo Casilla, Security Coordinator Joseph Rillona, ANC Coordinator Esther Paula, Maria Pina Layo, CDP Consultant Mercedes Sama, acting by support staff Marco Martinez and Angelo Puma support staff. Ladies and gentlemen, from San Francisco, Ocampo, Camarines Sur, Ocampo National High School, CTP, and MAPEH Unit.
That was entry number 3. That was Ocampo National High School of Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Following next, the last but not the least entry for Category 3 and 4.
Nag-aalis sa Agustin, Iriga City, Severino Arroyo High School, CTP and MAPEH Unit, headed by the Troop Commander Eloisa Elias Lopez, Justin May Sarcauga, Exo NS1, Ebencer Manina S1, Hanikal Patrice Panoy S2, Janso and Country S3, Aaron Samuel Lagdan S4, Mary Joy Pachico S6, Midweek Leader Cheya Josefa Arino, DNC Leader Sara Grace Filipina, Alpha Company Commander Joshua Romero, Alpha Company Exo Johnson Josepino, Bravo Company Commander Sophia IC Villanueva, Bravo Company Exo Marian Cordera, MAPEH Company Commander Roger Santan, MAPEH Company Exo Sarge Galado, First
battle leader, City.FEB Boys. Christian Iriga. Second battle leader, City.FEB Boys. Sandy Osirong. Second battle leader, first battle leader, City.FEB Girls. Angela Celeste. Second battle leaders, City.FEB Girls. Athena Michelle Lucinda. First battle leader, Aki John Alin Versuela. Second battle leader, Maki Janet Aldo. Principal Dr. Benedicta Esther Bolante. CPT Active Facilitator Mr. Ricardo Iriga. City Coordinator Mr. Nino Damasco. Interim Coordinator Mr. Lloyd Lagya. Assistant Interim Coordinator Rosalind Peraltes. Ladies and gentlemen, from Santo State, Iriga City, Severino Arroyo High School, CPT, MAPEH. Now, that was the last but not the least entry of the Category 3 and 4 coming from Severino Arroyo High School at Santo State, Iriga City.